Hello guys, our topic is today unit circle. Let me introduce you first of all unit circle. Unit circle obviously is a circle with the radius of 1. For that reason it is called the unit circle. Radius always 1. 1 meter, 1 centimeter, 1 blah blah. Any point on the Cartesian coordinate system is x component and y component has because it is the x and y coordinate system. Now, if it is the trigonometry, we need a what? We need to use the trigonometric ratio. On the unit circle, I need to use the trigonometric ratio. How? I need to first of all create the triangle. Okay? Now, this is my triangle. And if the point of the coordinate is x and y, it means the length of this side x much and the length of this side is y. So it is the right triangle. It is the trigonometric ratio angle. So what is the cosine theta? Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. It means the x over 1. So from here, we can understand it's equals to x. X equals to cosine theta. We can use this idea to figure out the sine theta. Sine theta is equals to what? Y over 1. Sine theta equals to y over 1. So y. Y equals to sine theta. Now, in that way, I understood x going to be cosine, y going to be sine. So it helped me out with the what changed the all Cartesian coordinate system into sine and cosine. So my point coordinate can be written cosine theta and sine theta because this angle theta. Now, obviously, you can understand that on the unit circle, all value around the negative 1 and 1. So this sine theta, it means or cosine theta value in this interval as well. So cosine theta or sine theta cannot be more than 1 or less than negative 1. Now, what we say trigonometric ratio, we change the sine and cosine, the x and y axis as a sine and cosine. It's very nice. But what we need to generate the angle. To generate the angle, we use the x-axis like that. Okay? How much this one? 90 degrees. If you go like that, one more times, the 180. One more 90, 270. And one more 90 makes the one circle, it equals to 360. And I want to write this angle on the unit circle. Oh, did I forget? No. Don't forget, guys. If you move on the anti-clockwise, you generate a positive angle. If you move the clockwise angle, you will generate the negative angle. Now, this information helped me out the what? To figure out the sine and cosine value for 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360 if you want more. Now, last part, sine 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0, sine is the x component, y component. Here, 0, so it is the value 0. What is the cosine 0? Cosine is the x component. This point coordinate is 1. Sine 90. What is the y value? Y value is 1. Cosine 0. So if you continue like that, for example, cosine 180, what is the x component? Negative 1. So you will figure out all important the degrees, sine and cosine in that way easily. Thank you very much for listening to first part.